Hey guys, welcome back to This Week in Rideshare and Food Delivery News. My name is Cecily Jamela, and here are this week's headlines. My friend Terry tips model the appropriate response when a couple brings you in on one of their domestic disputes.
Literally, you were sexting another girl an hour ago, sitting next to me. Oh, and you got fucking caught. Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm not saying.
Sir, may I ask your opinion?
Oh my God, why is he
If
there?
you saw, sorry, I'm gonna go
ahead.
ahead and poll the audience. If you and your girl were having a fight, and she said, "Hey, let me see your DMs," you showed them to her, and 14 minutes before, you were talking about how she would have no control over anything if she was here, and going on and on and on. Would that not imply something? Am I wrong? Am I wrong? No one would put up with this shit. Sir, am I wrong?
No comment.
No one would put up with this shit.
No comment was the best answer you could have. You can see the full video on his channel. A politician that pushed to defund the police called the police on a Lyft driver who canceled the ride. Portland City Commissioner Joanne Hardesty actually called 911 over a Lyft driver who abruptly canceled on her because he said that she was rude and abusive towards him. Goodness gracious, the irony in this is laughable, and you cannot make this up. You just can't. Data shows that consumers are changing the way that we are paying for services online. Here's a breakdown of the numbers in the past 2 months. Looks like telemedicine, local delivery, and finance and insurance are the areas where people are paying the most money. So if you're seeking a job right now, these are the areas that I would definitely look in because there's a lot of growth there. Studies show that most consumers are not loyal to one food delivery service. Secondmeasure.com reported a story that showed buying trends per customer that demonstrated that people order from multiple services. And if you're looking for more services to drive for, I would consider driving for one of these. These tend to be the ones that people want to order from, and the proof's in the pudding. Nobody's loyal. And now for what would you do? PAX is getting really creative these days. Would you take either of these calls? I wouldn't take either. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to hit me up directly, you can find me on Drive Girl Drive on YouTube or Facebook. And yeah, I appreciate you guys coming by. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I'll see you here next Saturday. Peace out.